Couple minutes ago I made a purchase for buy for $100 in this spot, and right now I have 6% of profit from the ground within the minutes. So if you're interested in how to make money online, this video will be for you. Join, let's have some fun. And before I've started, I want to say that I left the link in the description panel so you can easily get to this platform, and it's absolutely legal. This is fantastic and this is cool. 6% within a minute, but 300% in 1 week. And this is pretty cool and this is pretty amazing, and I like such situations where I have 300% of profit or 157% of profit, and it's still growing. It's falling, but the income is growing. A lot of people thinking that investment is something difficult, complicated, and they will never handle with that. But I'm sure that it is not, and that this is absolutely fun, easy, legal way to make money online. All you need is to find the link in the description panel of this video, go via that link, pass the registration, confirm your email, make your first deposit, and start trading. Of course, if you don't want to take a risk from the start, from the ground, or you don't have a lot of money to start, you just need to invest $10 or $100. Is not a big amount of money, and in 1 week you can double it for sure. Then you're gonna get back your money, your investment amount from the ground, and you will have the ability to redo the same thing, to double the money that you get like an income, and reinvest that sum, and reinvest one more time, and one more time. In a week you can get 200% of profit for sure. It's guaranteed. You just need to try. If you don't want to take a risk from the ground, you can use the practice account. It's available on this platform because this is absolutely legal platform and transparent and understandable. And this great suits for all of my investment issues, to all of my investment actions, and all of my portfolio situated on this platform. And I'm trading on Forex. Here, when you'll get to the platform, here's the Forex. There's stocks, crypto, commodities, a lot of tools to make money, but I love Forex. I love it because you don't have the time limits. For example, the asset that's already brought me like 8%, 12%, and it's still growing and the trend is up going, so I'm gonna wait. Or I can close this position with 9% of profit and reopen this position to another direction, maybe where right here you have the tool, the great tool. If you don't know which button to press or buy to sell, this great tool shows how all the traders who are on the platform right now making their decisions. So they're selling or they're buying. Right now they're selling, and I think the trend is up going, and we're gonna be still on it because there was a great point to buy, and I bought. Right now it's $10 of profit. Why not? $10 in like 3 minutes. And in some restaurants, the waiters getting salary $7 to $10 for 1 hour. Here you can make the same money in a minute, and you don't need to work the waiter in the cafe or restaurant. Cool? Cool. What do you think about that? 39%, and this position was opened minutes ago, and already is 41%. $400 in 10 minutes. based on 1,000 investment. I want to show you that this is a fantastic tool to make money without an efforts, almost without the risks. Okay, let's be honest. The investment is always risky. So in each my video, I'm just saying the one thing that you should keep in your mind when you starting invest. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is the biggest and hugest point of all of my videos. But do investing. Just do it, and in 1 week, when you'll double your income, and it will grow like a huge big piece of a pie, you'll see that this is not complicated as a lot of people thinking about it. And you can start from almost the zero, from $10, because this is the minimum amount of investment of this platform, and you can start from it. You can invest $10, grow this $10 to $10 more in minutes. Look at that. I invested 100. I have already 8%, and it's $8. $8 while I'm filming this video. And what you did previous 5 minutes, okay? Did you make some income? You didn't. So try to do it right now. Go to the description panel of this video, find the link, and go to the platform. Before you will take a risk for real money, I suggest you to try the practice account, because you don't take any risk at all, but you don't have a profits. And when you'll be more powerful in your actions, you will find out how the platform's working. It's going up or down. You'll see the pictures, the trends. Of course, you need to you may know the technical analysis. You can switch on the indicators and trade based on that. You can read a couple books about the trading on markets, but you can go the easier way. It's just buy or sell and wait. That's it. We just waited for 5 minutes. It's already $10 in income. We waited a little bit longer, and we have 168% of profit. The same thing, 80% of profit. Just think about it a little bit and try to do it yourself, because you'll see that it's simple, easy, and bringing a lot of fun actually. And when you have your income, when you have your profit, you become more confident in what you do. Thanks for watching this video. Want to remind you that link is in the description panel. You can easily get with a big discount, with a bonus. It's free, but you can get a bonus from our team to our subscribers. So if you want to make money online, do it. Just go to the description panel, find the link, and go to the platform. Make your first investment and be much more happier tomorrow than you are today. Thanks. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, and stay wise.